Guys, this is the new Samsung update, and what's going on here is the UI 5.1 update. And one feature here is that I'm very excited about. These are all good. Change color of effects, raw expert mode on pictures, powerful surge, image remastering, shared family album, and all. But here is where I go. Oh, improve multitasking index. That's a good one. It really needed some touching. And here is let Bixby take your calls. Now this is something interesting that I wanted to check, and I will check right after the update. It says use Bixby text call to answer calls automatically and find out why the person is calling. You'll see what the caller says in the text chat, and you can tap or type responses that will be read aloud to the caller. That is now very interesting, and obviously it says it's in English or Korean only, which is very interesting. Settings, suggestions, Spotify and all that, I'm not very interested on that. Now I will do the update and see how that thing with Bixby works, because that sounds too interesting to pass. Let's hit download. After the update, we are in here, and the only feature I wanted to talk about is that Bixby texting feature, which to me sounds extremely interesting, and we will take a look at it right now. Let me put these on center focus here so you guys can see what we're doing here. Let's go to my caller place, 3 dots, go to settings, and it's called Bixby text call. And let's see, it says answer calls without saying a word. Bixby will ask the caller why they're calling. You'll see what they say in a text chat. Then you can type or tap responses that Bixby will read aloud to the caller. Now this is very interesting. I'm gonna download the pack, auto open, install, and we're just gonna take a look at what's going on here, because this is definitely something interesting I have not seen before. Language, United States, voice 1. How does that sound?
To use for calls.
Can I add a voice? What is voice 2? Okay, but how? I wish it had like a preview before you download the voice, that it could just test how the voice sounds first. And I'm gonna download all the voices first, real quick, then we'll get back to this video. Okay, now all the voices are downloaded. Let's go back and just test how the voices sound.
Hi, I'm Bixby. Choose the voice you'd like me to use for calls.
Hi, I'm Bixby. Choose the voice you'd like me to use for calls.
Hi, I'm Bixby. Choose the voice you'd like me to use for calls.
Hi, I'm Bixby. Choose the voice you'd like me to use for calls.
Okay, I'll leave this one here. And quick responses. Is this urgent? I can talk right now. Add quick response. Okay, now I'm gonna call my own phone with my other own phone and see what happens.
Hi, I'm using Bixby text call to convert your voice into text and respond to you. If you want to continue, say who you are and why you're calling. Please leave a brief message and I'll call you as soon as possible. Have a great day. Who's this?
This is very interesting, huh? I'm actually liking this one. And as you see, it's typing what I'm saying right now as I say it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it here. It's not transcribing it exactly how I might be saying it, but this is a very cool feature to have this Bixby text to speech, plus having a transcript of what the other caller is saying from the other phone. This is very interesting. I'm actually liking this feature.
Just to clarify, who are you?
Wow. So you can just either type it or use the ones who are already here, and you can click urgent and it will talk to the other caller. Look.
Is this urgent?
Wow. This is the speaker talking here only.
I can't talk right now. I'll call you back later.
Wow. Let me try the other voice really quick. This I'm liking this one. I am liking this one. Okay, where are the voices? Okay, voice 1.
Hi, I'm Bixby. Hi, I'm Bixby. Choose the...
Hi, I'm Bixby.
This one
Bixby.
probably is better.
Choose the voice you'd like me to use for calls.
Languages. Okay, because right now it's only supported in Korean and English. US English. Okay, so let me call myself again. You click that.
Hi, I'm using Bixby text call to convert your voice into text and respond to you. If you want to continue, say who you are and why you're calling.
Wow. That's actually interesting, huh? And it's transcribing live as I'm talking. Look at that. I did not say look up that. I said look at that. That's very interesting. Good job, Bixby. Wow.
Just to clarify, who are you?
Just to clarify, who are you?
Please leave a brief message and I'll call you as soon as possible. Have a great day.
That's like having a real personal assistant, especially if you don't want to text that person that's calling you, but you can text it on your phone and they will hear an actual voice instead of just seeing a text. But if they talk meanwhile, you will see a text in your end. This is mind-boggling. I applaud Samsung for this one. Really good job, Samsung. I really like what you did with this one, and I hope you guys learned something today, because I definitely learned something I did not know existed on Samsung, and this is apparently a new feature they're testing too, and so now you know as well. And with that said, I hope you learned something, and I hope you click that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye!